raining on me. Hello. What a mess.
Yeah, I know, they're spraying everything out there.
They've been out there for a while.
They ain't holding back either.
Oh, no.
I went ahead and turned it off because it wasn't cooling anything off. So.
Let's see what we got.
Yeah, it was last night when we came back from dinner. We noticed it felt a little warmer in here, but then we woke up this morning and it was cooler.
Okay.
What was it that we heard that weird noise?
Heard a hiss.
Yes.
Yeah, yesterday.
We were sitting out here and it made some kind of weird noise that it doesn't make.
Sounded like you heard one and all of a sudden it started hissing.
Sometimes it's not a bad thing. That could just be refrigerant flow flowing through it.
Yeah.
I'll have to go outside and check, but I'm gonna take this off and.
Whenever my husband checked on it this morning when he realized it was hot in here, he started opening it.
Yeah, one should definitely be cold.
Yeah.
But I thought I just heard this heat kick on when I turned it on, so I'm gonna check that first. Yeah. That seems okay. Our issue might be outside, so I'm gonna run out there, check everything.
Okay.
And I'll be back. I'm getting soaking wet. Here, I'm gonna try to put my mic in. I can't. All right, I think my mic is on. I'm under my umbrella. So these guys are slinging water literally everywhere. This is the unit here. So I'm just gonna try and stay dry. See how that works out. It sounds like they're using chemicals too. So that's fine. This unit looks like an older train. We got a 2014, 11 years old. First, we're going to see if we got power. Contactor's not pulled in. They said they heard a hiss, which could mean refrigerant issue. Yet we got power. The board down here is blinking. Let me see. I gotta find our pressure switches. And then your system estimate, because it's going to be pretty expensive. And what I'll do for the sales guy, I don't know how busy he is today, and seeing how this is guest in house and emergency, what I like to do, I'll go ahead and get pictures of everything on line set, literally everything that I can get pictures of. Model, serial number, far away, close up. Working in the rain on a sunny day, because it ain't even supposed to, it ain't even raining. They're making it rain. I hate working around other contractors. I just can't. One of my, what grinds my gears situations. Like if they're all up in the way, especially if they're making a mess like this, I don't even want to be here at the same time they are. Because there's no telling what tools just got damaged because of chemicals they're using. In the butt. I apologize, I wish I could have filmed it, but the noise from the pressure washers, water going everywhere. I'm trying to be quick but under my umbrella. So the homeowner wants to go with a new system, but he has to get these guests up and running. I found the actual refrigerant leak. It was right by this train sensor right here. It just blew out. So I just sweated this whole elbow out. Since it doesn't matter, this is just a band-aid. I put in elbow here, I braze it right there, braze it right there, and I have about 100 psi nitrogen in here setting, and we're just monitoring it. I'll see if it'll hold for a little while, and then I'll pull a vacuum. Like there's a lot more stuff under there, it's nasty, so he's gonna get replacement. You can't just do the condenser, we're all out of the 410 units, so you can only get a upgrade to the 454B system. So we're getting them a price. We're going to include this repair in the price, so it's one lump sum. And I'm just going to get them up and running. So right now the focus is just to get this thing cooling. Sales guy's on his way to build an estimate for a replacement. Just don't waste any time, and so we can get to the next call. So that's where we're at, and I'll just pull a vacuum on this. We'll add about 7 pounds of refrigerant and get them going. But I thought I'd add this little piece. I'm pretty proud of myself for sweating that out and being able to sweat it back in, because there was holes. There wasn't just a hole there was a hole up here. When I was sweating it out, I seen it, so I just used my torch to cut the hole out and kind of just manipulate it and get it holding. So that's why we're testing it with nitrogen to see if my brazing will hold, and then go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. This was just a quick daily repair. If you guys enjoyed it, comment below, and I appreciate y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.